Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews on unique and fun products. Today, we have the best Scarecrow Makeup Kit, a must-have for anyone wanting to transform into the creepiest, most realistic Scarecrow this Halloween or for any costume event. This makeup kit will ensure that your Scarecrow look is one that will get people talking. In this video, we're diving deep into what makes this Scarecrow face makeup kit so special. Let's start with the basics. This kit includes everything you need to achieve the perfect Scarecrow look. It comes with high-quality grease makeup in all the right colors like brown, orange, black, and silvery gray. These are perfect shades to help you bring out that rustic, weathered Scarecrow vibe. The best part? This makeup is non-toxic, so you don't have to worry about any skin irritation or harmful chemicals. Whether you have sensitive skin or not, this makeup is safe for all skin types. Plus, it's easy to remove, with clear instructions on the back of the packaging to guide you through the process. What's included in the kit? You get a convenient plastic and foam applicator to help you apply the makeup with precision. The foam applicator makes it easier to get into all the nooks and crannies of your face for an even finish. If you're looking to add extra detail, there's a makeup pencil to help you outline and define your Scarecrow features, giving you the opportunity to get creative with your look. The Scarecrow Makeup Kit is designed for customizability. You can use the different colors in the kit to create your very own take on the Scarecrow design. Whether you want to stick to a more traditional look with earthy tones or get a bit creative with dark, spooky accents, this kit gives you the freedom to experiment. Getting ready for a Halloween party or a themed costume event? This kit is ideal for those looking to enhance their Scarecrow costumes and stand out from the crowd. Whether you're going for a fun, quirky Scarecrow or a terrifying one, this makeup kit can help you create the perfect look. The makeup is also designed for easy removal, which means you can enjoy your time without worrying about complicated cleaning later. Just follow the simple removal instructions on the packaging, and you'll be good to go. This is an exclusive product by Fun Costumes, so you won't find this makeup kit anywhere else. It's a unique, high-quality product that's perfect for anyone who wants to complete their Scarecrow costume in the best way possible. If you want to terrify your friends and take your Scarecrow look to the next level, the Scarecrow Makeup Kit is exactly what you need. If you're ready to transform into the most realistic Scarecrow at your next costume event, grab this makeup kit today and let the spooky fun begin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment if you found this video helpful. We'll see you next time with more fantastic product reviews right here on Product Critique.